Today we're taking a look at the loudest Ferrari I've ever heard, the Ferrari A12 GTS, fitted with a full Novitec exhaust system. This car doesn't whisper, it roars. We're stepping inside the cabin, taking a closer look at the craftsmanship, the driver-focused layout, and the small details that make the A12 feel like a true V12 Grand Tourer. Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. The interior truly does the exterior justice, a perfect blend of carbon fiber and Alcantara, with every detail thoughtfully designed around the driver. From the steering wheel to the seats, everything here puts you in complete control of this V12 masterpiece. Look at these carbon seats, steering wheel. Look at how that pops up there, digital dash. Yeah, so it doesn't have a center console actually. And if you can see that this is a customer passenger screen on the side. Yeah, man. Over to the doors. This is pretty much sort of the same spec on the inside as that A12 super fast that we just seen. See if we can sit inside it. Yeah, this feels snug. I mean, this is a different. No, I know why this is a Ferrari. What? Like the seats, I'm sure you can see by my sitting position, like this is sort of feels unnatural at first, but I think as you get used to it, actually, there's the volume. It sort of feels unnatural at first when you're sitting up, because like the seats, they're not like in a normal car seat where it like takes you on. It's like right now it keeps you straight up, focused like obviously on the road or on the track if you want to take it, and everything is right there. You know what I mean? Like you're in a position that you're ready to attack pretty much. Yeah, man, this is nice. And also on the steering wheel, it's got all these. It's got the tricolore on the side, carbon center console. Like I said, everything is driver orientated. Like all the controls are right where you need them. I've heard people complain that everything is on the steering wheel, but like when you're used to driving a car like this, because everything is right there, it's not like, oh no, I have to do that, I have to do this. Everything is right there, and the more you drive it, the more you know it, everything is going to be on your fingertips. Launch button is right there. I assume it's not a complicated process. Just press launch, put your foot on the brakes, rev it up, and you're good to go. Passenger can see what they want to see as well, what speed you're doing, the G-force they're turning it, your revs and all of that. They can tell you if you're slipping a gear or whatever you're doing. And the seats, look at them, carbon bucket seats. Yeah, man. And you also always carry a fire extinguisher. It's actually quite difficult to get out. Oh man, look at that Ferrari. And also, this is a painted shield on the crest. You can even smell like the heat coming out of this car, man. Look at this pig. Now, when you told me that you want to get a supercar, this is what I'm expecting. A12 super fast. And we even got more. That's the TDF. That's a beast on its own. But that's, I'm sure that's similar to this. But this is crazy. Yeah, man. Fully kitted out. It's got a Novitec exhaust system. I think this is probably a Modena blue. I'm not sure. Well, I'm still getting to know all these colors, but I'm not too sure what blue it is, but I'll put it up on top. But yeah, man, this is neat. Yeah. I missed it. I came out too late.
Yeah.
You mind just
hear it?
Yeah, man.
Sounds good now.
Yeah, man. Damn. What exhaust is that?
Novitec, full system.
Yeah, that's. mad, man. Crazy. The black one, is that a GTS as well? Oh. Alright. I actually didn't know the difference between the body kit. At first I didn't even clock what this was. Then it hit me. That's an A12 Competizione. So here's a quick pre-roll nod to it, because you can walk past one of these without showing it some love. And there you have it, the Ferrari A12 GTS with a full Novitec exhaust system. From the aggressive exterior to the driver-focused interior, and of course that V12 that sings like nothing else on the road. This car is pure emotion in motion. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Ooh.